Tired of juggling between time tracking and project management tools, feeling like you're spending more time managing your work than actually doing it? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Clockify with Notion, creating a supercharged workspace that boosts productivity and streamlines your workflow in just a few simple steps. First, open the Notion page where you want to embed your Clockify timer. This could be your project dashboard, a specific task page, or even just a dedicated time tracking hub. Next, type /embed. This will bring up the embed option in Notion. Select the embed option. Now, head over to your Clockify web app, go to your profile settings, and find the embed code. Copy this code to your clipboard. This code allows you to integrate Clockify functionality into other platforms. Back in Notion, paste the Clockify embed code into the embed block you just created. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly. Click the embed link button. Now, adjust the size and positioning of the embedded Clockify timer. Within your Notion page, you can drag the corners to resize it and move it around to fit your layout. And that's it. You can now start and stop your Clockify timer directly within Notion, linking your time tracking to your project management seamlessly. No more switching between apps. With Clockify and Notion integrated, you'll have a holistic view of your project progress and resource allocation, all within a unified and efficient digital workspace. Happy tracking!